So we are currently 12 degrees colder than the same time yesterday. So 6:16 a.m. is your current time. We're 12 degrees cooler than yesterday in Corpus Christi. Beeville, though, has been past the front since about 4 a.m. this morning, and they're currently 22 degrees colder. Temperature has fallen to 49 in Beeville. We're 50 in George West, 53 in Mathis this morning, 59 in Corpus Christi. So Flower Bluff, Kingsville, Falfurrias, your temperatures are only going to continue to go down as well. So while it might feel kind of mild right now, your winds are gusting and your temperatures will be falling through the morning. Even in Corpus Christi, we'll be around 54 degrees at 8 a.m. Wind chills you can expect to be in the 40s. We'll see the wind out of the north and strong. Those winds will be sustained around 20 to 25 miles per hour through the lunch hour. Then we'll see conditions kind of become more normal for the coastal bend. So make sure with these strong winds, you are securing those outdoor decorations maybe before you head to work, because we don't want frosty to blow away, right? Those gusts are already starting to reach 40 miles per hour, so you're kind of out of time at this point, but your decorations or your trash can may end up at your neighbor's yard. So be prepared. Wind advisory is in place for coastal San Patricio, Nueces, and Clayburgh County. So that does include the city of Corpus Christi and areas such as the Aransas Pass and Ingleside, as well as Portland. Our islands are also under that wind advisory. That's through 3 o'clock today. There is a small craft advisory in the bays and a gale warning in place through 6 p.m. out on our waterways for hazardous conditions. Seas are still expected to be 4 to 7 feet along our coast at the beach. So keep that in mind as well. Wind, here's your hour-by-hour breakdown. We'll see 17 mile per hour sustained winds around 2 o'clock, but those gusts still nearing 30 miles per hour. On Futurecasts, we'll keep some cloud coverage across our southern areas, but we'll see some sunshine breaking through as well today, kind of similar to yesterday. But then I want to point out, as we head into the evening, cloud coverage is increasing once again. Our moisture is going back up, and we're going to see a chance for a few spotty showers during the day on Thursday, especially Thursday evening. We may see a little bit of rain, but it's nothing to write home about. Rainfall totals won't add up to much. You just may notice some spotty showers here or there, especially heading into Thursday evening as we start to see more easterly winds returning to the coastal bend. So our temperatures are going to be on the rise. Once we get those east and southeast winds returning, we'll get up to 78 degrees there on Friday. Warmer conditions there. 80s with a chance for a few storms over the weekend, but until that happens, we keep those northerly winds. A few showers on Thursday, still cooler with a high today 66, high on Thursday 66. That's below our normal high of 73. We get back above our normal high. Oh yeah, as we kick off December, by the 2nd, we're back above normal with those highs back nearing 80.